Now we will be discussing about Python quick review regarding to the you can use the reference. If you are stuck, no need to help with something, you can go straight to, you have to just Google search it, and or you have to find the solution in Stack Overflow. I will be giving you basic essence how you can start with this. Okay, just open Python interpreter. Okay, Python interpreter, go this and write the computation how you can go with this if you don't know anything. So 3 minus 3, you know it, but just understand how you can get started with functions. 3 minus 3 is there, which evaluated will be first in an okay, see here 7 minus 1 it is telling. So this is wrong, no. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, you know it. So how you can write it? 3 divided by 3 is how much? We are getting to know how. It should be 1, you know, but it is taking float. But majority sign conversion concept regarding that you should also know about regarding that. So how modulus works? Modulus means modulus operator. This will be the modulus 9 modulus 3, then 0, remainder will be the 0, no. That how you can get started with the strings age equal to Anna. This will be the string considered as a string. If you want to see what is there in the age, you can use print age. See, in the age there is a Anna, call it as Anna. You don't have to write the type of a data to be explicitly known. If you want to write a comment, you can also write a comment with these things. Hash. This is Akash. Okay. It will be not doing anything. This is a comment. It will be executed as it is. So hashtag, if you write it, it is a comment. Multi-line comment, single line comment, that will be there. Okay. You can get started with this comparison, boolean operator, greater than, smaller than. How you can get started? You can see, compare it. 8 greater than 9. See, false. You will be getting the true, false statements. You can go through that. Okay. And also other thing is input statement or flow control. You can go with this. See here how you can get started. If you want to take an input, my email equal to input, it will take a string. Okay, if you consider this input function, okay, hi Akash. Okay, in the my email, in Akash string has been come. If print, type your password. I will suggest you that try to execute the commands in the not in IDE for the beginning stage. Start with any edit places. You will be getting the some great features you will be getting here. Okay, start to execute my email equal to input. Okay, this is the same thing, you can understand it. I have given just a basic essence so that you can get started with this. Okay, these are the coding snippet. You can get started with this. Okay, in the while loop, for loop, and tips for faster learning is that. Okay, in the next video we will be discussing about what is a major difference between data analysis, data science, and machine learning also. Data science, machine learning. In the next video we will be discussing about that.